falsehood and deceit's own way. And with truth and with right, I got my life's own helm. And for this I go backward or forward, as men say. I do not grieve, for all is good and fair in my realm. For some are cast down by loyalty many a time, and others are raised up by deceit and by false faith's crime. But if it is so that by falsehood a man climbs high, from that climbing he falls then into the deep by and by. The base barons have as great a pity in their span, for other focus Cain had for Abel his own brother. And they love more to rob than a wolf loves to plan, and more to lie than the girls of a brothel, one or other. If you pierce them in two places or in three, never believe that truth would issue out. Let be, but lies of which they have such a fountain in their heart, that it overflows like water from a spring that cannot part. Many barons I see in many places where they stand, more falsely made than glass in a ring for all to see. And who holds them for fine fails just as grand, as if he sold a wolf as a lamb for a fee. For they are not of law nor of weight in any case, but were made in the fashion of false coins in the marketplace, where the cross and the flowers appear in the round, and one finds no silver when one melts them to the ground. From the Orient to where the sun goes down at night, I make with the folk a new covenant, fair and free. I will give to the loyal man a bezant bride, if the disloyal man gives me a nail for my fee. And I will give a mark of gold to the courtly one in place, if the uncouth man gives me a penny of tours in my grace. To the truthful man I will give of gold a great mound, if I have an egg from the liars who in the world abound. All the law that the great upon a folk hold dear, I would write on a little scrap of skin quite near, on the half of the thumb on my glove right here. And the worthy man I could feed with a single cake, for through the worthy provision will never be dear to take. But if there were a man to pay the wicked crew, he might cry out and not look where, but call anew. Come and eat you, worthy man of the world, come through. Truthful when truth from his lips will never flow. For he who does ill and wrong reason will not allow that he should gather thanks or praise or worth's own brow. But a reproach is well spoken through the world's wide span. He who flays once, let him not shear again. Let no man do all folk I say in my servants as I can, that if truth and right and mercy in that plan do not govern a man in this world below, neither here nor there I believe Klarman for show.